In this video, I will show you how to set goals and track your progress on ClickUp. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. In the bottom left, you should see Goals. If you do not see it, select More, Customize Navigation, and make sure the tick is selected for Goals. Set a goal. We are going to set our goal for uploading 3 videos. You can choose who the owner is, who has access to this goal, and a deadline. You can also add a description. Once your goal has been completed, select it, and you can create a target. So we are going to make this the first video. This is a numerical target. We're going to add another target and name this our second video. And our last video will be third video. If you have completed your first video, simply select it, add your number, save, update. You will then see your progress in the top left corner. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.